Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Today we got a surprise guest, guys. Maybe coming down here in a second. Stay tuned for some drop line fishing. We're outside, getting it together, guys. Just give me a minute. I just got here. Here's it right here. We'll put it together and get set up real quick and try to get some bait on this line and get this line out. All right, stay tuned. Surprise guest to you guys. Stay tuned, guys. So definitely Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We're here. We're here with our surprise guest, as I told you guys, Sophie Lofi Adventures, fisherwoman. I call it a super fisherwoman. That's what I say. That is it, guys. So Sophie's here with us, guys, and we're definitely here trying to get it in and seeing what we can pick up. I got Leo coming down there with the rest of the gears, and we're gonna set up all these gears in a second. So stay tuned, guys. Exciting, epic adventure today. I'm hunting some bait because I'd asked Gio to get some soldier crabs to me, and Leo was gonna pick him up from him, but apparently Gio was MIA and gonna tell us that he couldn't get a signal or some nonsense like that, knowing that the guy was coming from Kingston. Now, I just got wet because I didn't want to. It's alright. I knew it was going to happen. This was going to happen regardless if I wanted to or not today. There you go. Yeah, we got enough. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, guys. So we went to go get some bait. Sophie Lofi and them have shrimp. I use some sea egg. Yeah, I got some bait, Sophie. Wayne got some sea eggs. And they're like, yeah, sea urchins. So I'm gonna use this as bait for the permit jacks that come in here in the evening time to feed. So what I do, I trim all these spikes off of them with the scissors, and I stick it through their mouth right there, and then I hook through the back of the shell, and then I get them out there. And so I got a whole bunch that I went and dug off a while ago. That's why I'm all soaking wet. Yeah. So I want to go get that.
So you use all them big one, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
The whole of this?
Yep. So I go like this.
Don't put this so close, but sometimes I get a little blurry. Yeah.
I'm not sticking with the spikes. I don't like that. I normally just hold like one of them. That's because the scissors is not 100. Because it's probably got a little rust in the grooves. I just want a little warm up. Salt water will do these things. I ate one of these last week. Yeah, it tastes like 7 different kind of seafood. It tastes like shrimp, it tastes like lobster, it tastes like crayfish, it tastes like everything in one. It's supposed to be an aphrodisiac from what I'm hearing.
Oh, the tough jerk.
Oh, coming on.
Yeah, he's a player.
That's what this is for. Shit like this.
That's it?
Yeah.
Bomba sabing?
Unlock the bail, and then I have my hands set, and just make sure your footing is good when you cast. I wanted to go right there in that trough for when they're passing by that ship. Alright, no doubt. Watch your head, Sophie. Alright, gotcha. And I'm all set right there. There you go, guys, Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, we have all the lines set now. I got bait on. I just went and got totally soaked. But it's alright. I did come with tights on, and I did plan to get wet. This is literal men in tights, guys. Look at this. Sophie, men in tights. Yes, and boots, guys. Look at that. So, that's what's up. I am very secure in my masculinity, guys. I think I'm very well aware of that. But it's alright. Big up yourselves. We out here. And we have some lines set. We got Sophie Lofi Adventures in the building. And she's rigging up because she just popped off on some reef out here just now. Reefy area. So she's retying back and going at it again, guys. Leo got his line set up now. And he's ready to drop. And I hear bells going off. I keep on hearing bells. Are you one of you guys touching bells? It's not me. I'm shaking. I ain't got no more bells on me.